Know why you are here. Don't waste your time. You can't get it back, So when you come into the building, expect the best and you'll receive the best. Do your best, and that's all anyone can ask of you. Have high expectations of yourself and be mindful, which means, again, being present.
I've taken a couple of classes this summer, reading classes. I did the Summer Learning Academy. And in the Summer Learning Academy, we help the kids reinforce the skills that they learned from the previous year to help them for the upcoming school year.
I'm excited for them to come to school and start this new year off, and we're gearing up for them to come back.
We are doing the cleanup of the classroom, putting our posters up on the wall, and trying to make sure that everything is very clean and organized so the students can feel welcome when they come into class.
It's Tatiana Crowder from William H. Brewster Elementary STEAM School.
I am Helena Hartsfield, English teacher at Central High School.
My name is Danielle Garcia Savage. I am a Spanish teacher at Central High School.
Well, this is Lakeisha Stevens at W.H. Brewster STEAM School.
And we are trending up.
And we're trending up.
And we are trending up.
And we are trending up for the 22-23 school year.